Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a crypto charity fund with BitGive, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by accessing the BitGive website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details including your name, email, and password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Log in to your newly created account using your credentials. Navigate to the Charity Fund section from the main menu. Click on Create a new fund to begin the process. Enter a name for your charity fund that reflects its purpose. Provide a detailed description explaining the mission and goals of your fund. Set the fundraising target that you aim to achieve. Choose the type of cryptocurrencies you want to accept. Select a start and end date for your fundraising campaign. Upload a logo or image that represents your charity fund. Review all the information you provided to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on the Create Fund button to finalize. Share your charity fund link across social media and within your community. Monitor donations in real time via your BitGive dashboard. Engage with donors and keep them updated on the fund's progress. Disperse the collected funds to your chosen charitable cause when ready. Maintain transparency by sharing updates on how the funds are utilized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.